Hi there, I'm Michael with etrailer.com. Today we're going to take a quick look at this Curt shock absorbing towing kit with sway control and wireless brake controller. This kit is going to give you everything you need to get a comfortable towing experience. It is going to work with your trailers that have up to 2 axles or 4 brake assemblies with either electric or electric over hydraulic trailer brakes. This kit will give you your ball mount that will slide into your 2-inch by 2-inch trailer hitch receiver. This is going to work in both the drop and rise position. So the drop, like we have it here, the ball mount itself will give you a 2-inch drop from the top inside edge of your hitch opening. If we were to flip this over, use it in the rise position, we'd have about a 3/4 inch rise from the top of our hitch opening. So that will give us a little bit of adjustment there to make sure our trailer is going to be level. It's a sturdy steel construction with that hollow shank and a gloss black powder coat finish to it. Inside that hollow shank, you can see we do have our anti-rattle kit installed. So inside there is a little nut that we will tighten our bolt against as we put this in our hitch, and that's going to prevent the ball mount from rattling inside your hitch receiver, so it's going to ride very nicely for us. And then this is constructed of high strength steel with a yellow zinc plated finish to it. So we'll do a good job of keeping our setup nice and stable in our hitch receiver. Here on the front, we do have our 2 5/16 inch diameter rocker ball, shock absorbing hitch ball that's going to provide that connection point for our trailer coupler. This does have the integrated shock drop technology, so it has cushioned isolators that are going to reduce rattling and vibration for increased control and comfort as you tow. It's also going to help produce less wear and tear on your towing setup. This does have an anti-swivel forged steel base that has a black powder coat finish on it. This is going to give us a gross towing capacity of 7,500 pounds. The maximum tongue weight is 750 pounds. Now keep in mind, this base is going to sit about 1.5 inches higher than your standard hitch ball due to the shock absorbing base, so that drop that we gave before, that 2-inch drop, it's going to be reduced down to about a 1/2 inch drop while we're using this. We do have a bit more of a rise. If we were to turn our ball mount over, use it in the rise position, we'll have about a 2¼ inch rise. So again, not a huge difference for keeping your trailer level, but just wanted to give you those measurements so you can make sure it's going to work for your setup. It does have a built-in grease zerk that's going to make it very easy to lubricate the isolator core when necessary, so very easy maintenance involved there. Then we also are going to have our friction style sway control that's going to effectively fight trailer sway after it begins. So this will reduce the side-to-side movement caused by winds, passing traffic, curving roads, or sudden maneuvers. This will attach to your trailer with the plate here. They do include hardware to get this attached onto your trailer, and then it will attach onto the 1¼ inch hitch ball on our ball mount here. Pull out the pin, get that attached there. So then we'll have that connection between our ball mount and our trailer. This is going to have a telescoping design, and that is going to make sure that everything is staying nice and controlled, so we can tighten that down when we get it where it needs to go, and that's going to provide that anti-sway property for us. Now, it is recommended that you do remove the sway control unit before you're backing up or before towing in slippery conditions like on ice, snow-covered roads, wet roads and gravel, that sort of thing. And then we are also going to have our Echo wireless brake controller. It's going to plug right into your 7-way at the rear of your vehicle and provides that port for plugging in your 7-way trailer connector there. This does have an internal 3-axis accelerometer that's going to activate your trailer's brakes in proportion to your vehicle's braking action. So if you were to slam on the brakes in your tow vehicle, this is going to sense that abrupt change in speed, and it's going to apply the brakes on your trailer with that same intensity. So your trailer is going to be acting the same as your tow vehicle, so everything is going to be in line, and you're not going to have to worry about push pulling like you would sometimes get with other kinds of brake controllers. It's going to activate immediately, so there's no pausing like with your time delayed brake controllers. This is going to connect wirelessly to your smart device for operation. So this will work with your Apple 8.0 OS or newer, as well as your Android 4.4 or newer operating system. So because this is so easy to get plugged in, it is transferable between vehicles. So any vehicle that has that 7-way at the rear is going to be able to use this, and very easy to make sure that your trailer's brakes are operating properly. The setup is tested for safety to meet the SAE J684 specifications, so you can trust it is going to be good quality, do a great job for you. It does also come with a limited lifetime warranty, so if you were to have any issues with it, you're more than welcome to reach out to us here at etrailer.com. But I really don't think you're going to have any problems. I think this is going to do a really good job of absorbing your shock, preventing that rattling and swaying, and making sure that your brakes are operational in relationship to the pressure that you're putting on your brakes in your tow vehicle. So that completes our look for today. Again, I'm Michael with etrailer.com. Thanks for watching.